Sony just detonated a hype nuke and your weekend plans gone. This state of play isn't just a show. It's a full frontal assault on reality. Miss this and you'll regret it harder than skipping the final boss. What's up, champions of chaos? Buckle up, because Sony just dropped a state of play so savage, it broke the internet twice, leaving everyone in a stunned frenzy. We're talking new worlds to explore, legendary comebacks that hit harder than a critical hit, and a PS5 twist that'll make your credit card SOB louder than your last relationship. Grab your snacks, your controller, and maybe a stress ball, because we're diving headfirst into the madness that is Sony's latest show. First bomb, Uncharted, Legacy's End. Nathan Drake's daughter, the heir to the treasure-hunting empire, is here to steal the spotlight in what can only be described as a globe-hopping heist. We're talking parkour so smooth, it'll give you vertigo just watching it. This isn't just a new chapter in the Uncharted saga, it's a whole new level. Get ready for jaw-dropping chase sequences, deadly puzzles, and plot twists that'll have you gripping your controller so tight you might leave a dent. But wait, Sony's real flex. Project Oni. Yep, you heard that right. This isn't your average RPG. Step into the shoes of a demon in feudal Japan, where you can unleash chaos in the most gorgeous, mystical world ever seen. Samurai battling kaiju monsters? You're damn right we're signing up. We're talking about epic-scale destruction, mythical beasts, and dark powers that'll make your soul tremble. Count us in for the fight of the century. RPG fans, rise. Next up is Dragon Reborn, and it's a full-on game-changer for dragon lovers. You'll get to tame, fight, and fuse with dragons in ways you've never even dreamed of. We're talking about feeding your dragon a volcano, and boom, watch it transform into a literal lava cannon. Dragons that evolve into walking disasters of destruction. That's not just a game, folks, that's witchcraft. A dark, magical, and thrilling experience that RPG fans can't afford to miss. Let's just hope your dragon doesn't get too attached to you. But hold my health potion, Capcom crashed the party with Resident Evil Outbreak. Forget what you know about zombie games. Resident Evil Outbreak is changing the entire formula. It's an open-world zombie survival game where you're not just running from undead horrors, you're building bases by day, scavenging for supplies, fortifying your home, and living. But when night falls, forget it. The horror escalates, and your carefully built fortifications are put to the ultimate test. Pro tip, don't get attached to your squad. Trust me, you'll regret it when things go south. The zombie apocalypse is about to get even more terrifying. Sony's ninjas struck again. You thought they were done. Ha, Bloodborne just got resurrected, but here's the twist, it's not a remaster, it's a prequel. Enter Bloodborne, the first hunt, an origin story set in a Victorian nightmare before the plague even began. The world is darker, the lore deeper, and the nightmare harder to survive. This is the ultimate test for any Souls-like enthusiast, with blood-chilling combat and a challenge that will make your hands sweat harder than ever. Just imagine early hunts before the horrors of Eharnam. Oh, and yeah, the difficulty is still brutal. Mock sweating. My hands are shaking just thinking about it. Indie alert. The creators of Hollow Knight just unveiled Silksong, Eclipse. Now, this is huge. The much-anticipated Silksong, Eclipse from the makers of Hollow Knight, just got a trailer, and it's not just a regular sequel, it's a PS5 exclusive for 6 months. You heard me right. If you're an Xbox fan, well, shrugs, sorry, not sorry. The game looks beautiful, with a dark and mysterious world to explore, new abilities to master, and an atmosphere that'll pull you in and never let go. Fans of Hollow Knight have been waiting for this for what feels like an eternity, and it's finally time to get lost in the shadows once more. Consoles got a glow up. The PS5 Slim is real, and it's sexy. 40% smaller, 100% cooler, with a detachable 4K Blu-ray drive for ultimate flexibility. We're talking about the perfect too intense. The controller will keep you in check like a mental health therapist. I'm telling you, Sony's taking gaming to a whole new level of immersion. Mock fainting. It's like your PS5 just cares about you. VR2 just got a killer app. Starfield, Renegade is here, and it's fully playable in VR. Bethesda's space epic just made the leap into VR, and you're not just playing the game, you're living it. Build entire planets, dogfight in zero gravity, and float around staring at black holes. Existential crisis included for free. You'll never want to leave your VR headset once you enter the cosmos of Starfield. This is the kind of game that makes you forget where you are and fully immerse yourself in the infinite universe. Grinning. Who needs Earth when you have space? Here's the mic drop. The moment we've all been waiting for, Kingdom Hearts 4. And it's not just any ordinary sequel. Oh no. This time, Sora is jumping into Pixar worlds. Imagine Woody and Buzz fighting the Heartless, or Wall-E piloting a Gundam. Yes, you heard that right, a Gundam. Slams fist. Take my money, take my soul, take everything. This is the Kingdom Hearts experience we've all dreamed of, cranked up to 11 with new worlds, new characters, and new gameplay mechanics. Disney and Square Enix have truly outdone themselves, and you'll be holding your breath the entire time. Get ready to relive your childhood in ways you never thought possible. Let's recap. Dragons that turn into volcanoes. Zombies that invade your entire life. Keyblade chaos in Pixar worlds. A controller that knows you're stressed before you do. Sony didn't just raise the bar, they nuked it from orbit. Get ready to empty your wallet, because the future of gaming just exploded. Comment below, which game just murdered your wallet? Let me know which of these upcoming titles you're most hyped for, because I know my bank account is already crying. Smash like if you're hyped, subscribe, and stay tuned because tomorrow we're leaking Nintendo's secret Switch 2 prototype. You know it's gonna be wild. Stay reckless, stay gaming, and remember, sleep's a myth, backlogs are forever. Catch you on the flip side.